Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product review video for the new Cutie number die. This is another die set that I'm really excited about because of everything that this set comes with. I did die cut the pieces out so you can see what they look like. You get the numbers 0 through 9 and they have a cutie look to them, and you can make a third birthday with the number 3. Or a fourth birthday, for example, with the TH. You can also make a second birthday with the number 2. You can also make a first birthday with the number 1 or your first communion. It comes with a percent sign. It comes with a plus sign and a times sign. It comes with a number sign, a dollar sign. It also comes with quotation marks. This little set really has it all. I did make a card to share with you. I made a 50th birthday card and I paired it up with the new piggy background stamp and the wonky window die. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this new release and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.